Hello builders, welcome to Mockup Studio tool. This tool allows you to create mockups with the artwork that you can use on your website. My name is Jackie de Klerk. I'm your success coach and I want to show you how you can easily transform your images into beautiful mockups. Here we are on the Mockup Studio dashboard. On the left hand side you will have options that gives you dashboard, new mockup and my mockups, and we will come back to this in just a moment. In the middle, you'll see the different categories you can choose from. If you click on more, you will even see more options. Scrolling down to the bottom of the page, you will also see pages right here, and you will be able to use the left and right buttons to actually view even more. You will also note that some of them will be videos. If I hover over this area, you're going to see that there is a circle with a play button. The ones that are images is just going to look like this. So let's just play with this one here. We're going to click on select, and this is going to be where you're going to view the sizes. The complete box is 1080 by 1920 pixels, but the media that you need to upload is different sizes. You can see we've got 788 1024 pixels for the front cover and 190 1024 for the side cover. So let's do that. I've already uploaded some files to save us some time. So I'm going to click. You would be able to play around with the scale of it. And if you just use the exact size, you would not need to do that. So I'm just going to click on reset, and it's going to be bringing back to me the way it was. I'm going to click done. We're going to upload the other one that I've prepared. And you can see there is our book. And we're going to click done. Now we want to see what the results look like by clicking on see result. Right here, you can see that it is uploaded it. Now you can download the file and actually bring it into your website. Now let's go back and click on back to mockup list. Now you can customize and create your own mockups. And for that, you will need to design it somewhere else like in Canva. Now, if you want to start uploading your own, you're either going to click on new mockup on the left hand or click on the blue button. So let's just click on the blue button, and we're going to call this Builderall t-shirt. We're going to click upload image. We're going to choose the image that we want to use. And we're going to click on add. And right here, you need to decide what the size is going to be and where you want to place it inside of this t-shirt. So we're going to click on add border. We're going to choose the area that you want to add it. Like that. And you need to remember or take in consideration the sizes, because this is the sizes that you're going to use if you would like to upload an image into your t-shirt. So we're going to click on save. You can add multiples. You don't have to do just one border, so you can add multiples just like we did with the book earlier. Now it's been uploaded. You're going to find it in your custom area right here. Now let's say we want to use this specific one. You're going to click on select. You're going to see the size that they're giving you right there. You're going to go and upload the file. I'm just going to choose the icon of Builderall for now. And the reason why you can't see it, because it's transparent. And I'm going to click done and see result. Now you can see that your image has been added and it's ready to download. Once you're done, you can just go back to my mockups, or you can go back to the dashboard area. Thank you for following this tour with me. If you have any questions or problems using the tool, please contact our technical support. They are always available to help. And you can also find additional resources on the YouTube channel as well as in our knowledge base. Now you are ready to use the tool, and I'll see you next time, Builder. Bye.